This is going to be a quick follow-up on a video I did on Tesla recently. Right now trading at 117 off the lows I was discussing in the previous video, which you can find here. So this is going to be a quick follow-up. Let's call it part 2 of this video, which you can check. I'll put this in the description of the video, or you can look for it on YouTube. Now, remember, we were using TSLQ, which is inverse Tesla. In other words, it goes in the opposite direction of Tesla. The two conditions I was talking about here, we can see there have been 2 attempts to break out, let's call it above 90, and both on the daily have failed. So that was your first indication that there was a reason to consider an entry position in Tesla. The second area to watch that I was discussing was when it breaks these lows here at about, let's call it 79. So right now, this is the second possible entry, which means that if it breaks the $79 price level, Tesla should be a good entry again. Now, this is the daily for TSLQ. Another way of looking at it is simple lines. If you take the daily, draw a line connecting the RSI lows as such, you can see here the next entry for Tesla is when this breaks this level here. It would mean a break of this line. Tesla would be giving a fresh entry, a new buy signal if you're trying to catch Tesla after its recent plunge. Looking at the 4-hourly, we can see here, we can also draw a line connecting RSI lows. And if you're watching this, a break of this line is going to be a good signal to go along the Tesla stock, because it would also be breaking this range. And that in itself would be another reason to anticipate that the next meaningful direction for Tesla is for a move to the upside. Similarly, taking a look at Tesla chart itself, this is the 195 minute, should be similar to the 4-hourly. You can also use this RSI lows line as a gauge as to whether Tesla is going to be getting a fresh entry. If it breaks out above this line, then that means that Tesla is going to start moving to the upside. This is going to be another reason to add or to initiate a new position in Tesla. And again, you can look at Tesla on the daily. If you take the line connecting recent RSI highs, should be something like that, connecting most of the highs. I'll do it like that. What we're waiting for here is another fresh signal. If and when Tesla moves above this line, this is where you add on or initiate a position, because the stock is going to be ready to move higher. Remember, Tesla is 70% off its highs, and recently off the highs of September, August period, the stock is down an additional 65%. So if you're looking for stocks that are seeing a major plunge, these are some of the things to look for before they see a reversal back to the upside. And so it is.